happy because it is time for boat week number 4. What if it flips upside down? Oh.
It's upside down.
No.
Oh man.
Oh no.
No, I told you. I told you if you did this, we'd have 2 boats stuck. Abby Boat Week is off to a great start. Nope.
You guys, they're there. They're like, we love her. We're coming. I'm so excited. They're happy to see me. Hey guys. They came from all the way out there.
They did.
They came all the way down here to say hello.
Up? Can we just call them Nate and Abby?
Hi.
They're chilling together. What's up, ducks?
They're so happy. And I am so happy because it is time for boat week number 4 of 2021.
They're bobbing for apples.
I'm in heaven right now, you guys have no idea. To kick off boat week, we have the cheapest boat you will see on the channel this entire year. This is $27. It's called the Cobra King and it comes completely ready to run. We're here at the lake today to test it out, to see how it does. There's the battery. It's a very tiny battery.
But it says it has a 20-minute run time.
Really?
It does on the box.
That is crazy. All right, let's see what the ducks, what are they doing?
They're getting some food.
Let's see what the ducks think about it and let's test it out and see if it's worth the $27. Let's find out. With boats like this, when you plug it in, you usually will have no power and you can even see like it's flashing on here. The light is flashing. It's waiting for this to touch water. There's a contact right here and as soon as it touches water, it'll kick in.
There, nice.
I'm gonna have to toss it in. Nate says he does not think this will have self-riding.
No, it doesn't, because it has 2 motors.
Because it has 2 motors, but I don't know. I feel
No,
like it could.
we've never had a 2-motor boat with self-riding.
So I have to toss it out past all this, over the ducks. Look!
Yeah, give it a toss.
What if it flips upside down? Oh.
It's upside down. Now you can see that there's no self-riding and you better wait out there before it goes too deep.
One out there. Ducks, can you get my boat? Look, the ducks don't like you. They're running from you. Nate found a stick. Well, this is an amazing start to boat week. Not doing it?
Really soft and...
You're gonna sink?
Yeah. This boat...
Sneak peek for tomorrow.
If you get into boats, here's rule number 1. Have 2 boats. You ramped off of it. You can just get it a little closer, I can probably get it.
No!
Oh man.
Oh no!
No, I told you. I told you if you did this, we'd have 2 boats stuck. Abby Boat Week is off to a great start. That's a big stick for a little boat. Nope. Oh, we only have 2 boats with us, so there they are. 1, 2. No! Oh! Okay, that's going to be included in part of the review of this boat. I hope you can lose that stuff you're dragging because now you're making it 10 times worse. That's going to end up okay. Good. Oh!
I'm gonna let you try to do this.
Told Abby.
So far, we got the blue boat's upside down, and the purple boat just got smacked with a huge.
This video was only supposed to take about 8 minutes for us to do. It's just.
No! Oh my goodness.
This is going to be the whole battery of the purple boat. Seriously.
Well, the purple boat's doing good so far. Especially if we're getting slammed with a log.
I just can't haul.
Where's our pole noodle when we need it?
I honestly didn't think we were going to get a $20 boat stuck in the lake today.
Steady. Oh!
Oh, look, I tipped it over.
You did!
Yeah.
Is it going to work? Where's the controller?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Come on, boat.
Go, drive. Why would it not work?
No! There!
man. Can we do 2 boats in one video?
I feel like that's what just happened. I feel like we might as well just do both boats.
We're gonna re-upload this, but with a different intro on the purple boat. Okay, all right, let's bring the purple boat in so we can focus on the blue boat.
Oh my gosh. There's literally a piece of...
Oh no, it's pathetic.
It's so small.
Oh, it's pathetic.
There's a piece of like seaweed grass just sitting on top of it.
Oh, it's really pathetic.
How fast this is gonna go?
Okay, oh no, Abby, I'm so glad it got stuck because this would not be a good video.
Listen
You know
to
what?
it. When you turn, because it's,
Listen.
what is that called? When one motor
It's like,
what's it called?
differential thrust.
Yeah, there
Differential
you go.
thrust.
It's like spitting.
Listen, is it?
You remember that shower we had in that one all-inclusive resort and it like spit water at us?
I do. We will
like this.
try to link that video, maybe?
I don't think we have a video
Okay,
of it.
this is pathetic. Truly pathetic. Wow! But, okay, hold on. Let's think about this. For a kid at this price point, ready to run. Seriously, think, you guys, when have you ever seen an RC boat under $30 that works and has a rechargeable battery that's ready to run?
This is meant for a pool, but the only problem I have is that the propellers are exposed, making it not as safe. So it could like get caught in hair, or I doubt it would do any damage if you touch the prop. Like this is,
It's not gonna hurt you.
I don't think it's gonna hurt you, but you shouldn't touch prop. I'm not telling you to touch prop. If you get hurt, it's not my fault. I'm just telling you.
Okay.
It's meant for a pool.
And a kid.
It's meant for a pool and a kid, but I couldn't tell you this is for a kid because the prop's exposed.
Yeah.
So I would let my kid play with it though. It's super
And
fun.
she's 3.
2 and a half.
She's almost 3.
Don't speed up the process.
No. Okay, well, that's about it. I think that's all she wrote.
The transmitter is really basic. You just have throttle. It does have reverse, if you want to call that.
It's like
reverse.
brakes, okay?
The on-off switch and the wheel.
Oh,
that's,
boy.
That's it. Double A's.
2 double A's.
So yeah.
Oh, did it speed up a little? No.
No, it's just your imagination.
Okay, let's see how far.
I'm gonna let you get this.
Okay,
Let's
try,
see how far
please.
to make it through.
Try to go as far as you can without
Come on, little buddy.
getting stuck. No, that's pretty good. I can get that. Okay, that's not
Look
bad.
at
That's okay. I got it.
Now I can do it.
Oh, water test.
This is my video.
It is your
Oh,
video.
you're doing a water test?
We'll do the water test.
Okay, it was upside down for
a
like
long
10
time.
minutes.
Yeah, it's got some water in there.
Like,
Watch, here you go. Look, let's fill this up. That's quite a bit of water.
that's not too bad, but
yeah.
that is a lot of water for such a little bit.
Yeah. I can see how it has a 20-minute runtime.
It can only get better from here with Boat Week, right? Like, it can only go up. It can't get much worse than this. Although for $25,
It's just the battery,
it's not too bad.
I think.
We think it's just the battery. I wanted something like this because you never know. We've had some amazing, and still to this day, if they were still that price, amazing $40 to $50 boats. So we thought, well, why not? Let's check out a $25 boat and show everybody what can actually it's $27. What can $27 actually get you? This is gonna be linked down in the description box below, so you can check it out, and if you wanna buy it, I guess you can.
This week will be interesting because we're starting with the cheapest boat ever on our channel, maybe at least this year, and we're ending on the most expensive boat ever.
As long as everything works out. We will be ending the week with the most expensive boat we've ever had on the channel, and I didn't think it could get much more expensive than our last boat week with the
Blackjack.
The catamaran that we had, the
Blackjack.
Blackjack. Yeah, that thing was a beast. So it's gonna be an awesome boat week. So make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on so you don't miss it, because boat week on the TheRcSaylors is like the most anticipated week of the year.
At least for
me.
us,
And
yeah.
I think you guys too, at least our subscribers love it. You guys love Boat Week, and we love doing it because there's nothing better than getting out at a lake with your family and just enjoying the warm weather. And for that, I want to thank God. I also want to say a huge thanks to our RC patron family members. You guys are the backbone to the channel, and you're the reason why we can be so honest and transparent with every RC you see on this channel. I will have my favorite RC boat from one of our boat weeks of 2021 popping up right about now for you guys to go check out. I think you'll like this one a lot more. See you there. Bye!